show that 18 and 35 are co-primes. We know that two or more numbers are called co-primes if their HCF is 1. So, let us find the HCF of 18 and 35 using Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 35 by 18, we get 1 as the quotient and 17 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 17 becomes the new divisor and 18 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 18 by 17, we get 1 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Again, since the remainder is not 0, repeat step 2. In this case, 1 becomes the new divisor and 17 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 17 by 1, we get 17 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Thus, the HCF of 18 and 35 is 1. Therefore, 18 and 35 are co-primes. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more questions on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.